Since being commercialized by Sony in 1991, Li-ion battery technology has made significant progress due to its high energy density and efficiency. Global electric vehicle inventory will exceed 26 million in 2022, 60% increase over the previous year. Nowadays, lithium-ion batteries have also developed into various forms. This includes regular 18,650 UN column batteries from around 3 to large soft packs or prismatic batteries with capacities up to 100 plus, 4,680 battery 46-meter diameter, 80 mm axial length, compared to commonly used 18,650 or 21,700 UN cylindrical batteries. The advantages of higher energy and power. Compared to 21,700 batteries, those with thicker tempers expanded 5.5 times. This large cylindrical battery requires fewer individual cells to be assembled and interconnected. Therefore, it is expected to reduce the production cost of battery pack assembly. In early 2023, Musk claims that 2024 will be the year of 4,680. The latest information revealed by Tesla may confirm this goal. On January 25th, Tesla announced its fourth quarter earnings for the year 2023. After the financial report is released, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Drew, Senior Vice President of Power and Energy Engineering, Baglino and other executives answered questions about investors' concerns about 4,680 battery production and capacity. In Tesla's opinion, Tesla's 4,680 battery production is currently in the lead. The company even has weeks of finished product inventory, and 2024 will be an important year for Tesla's 4,680 battery capacity growth. The company will build 4 new 4,680 battery production lines in the third quarter of this year. However, Musk also seems to understand, in the short term, the production capacity of 4,680 batteries is far from meeting the company's needs. For this, the company specifically thanked the current company's battery supplier, China's Ningda Times Yadi, Japan's Panasonic and South Korea's LG New Energy. Musk also said he would add other suppliers on top of this. There are investors in the conference call. What are the main obstacles affecting Tesla's 4,680 battery to achieve 1 million weekly productivity? When do managers expect to achieve this goal? Drew Baglino, Senior Vice President of Power and Energy Engineering, said, according to sources, the capacity limit of 4,680 batteries has affected the capacity climb of Cybertruck's electric pickup truck. It's not true. At this stage, 4,680 battery production is in the lead. We actually have weeks of finished product inventory. Our goal is to maintain the current state of affairs. Not only to separate trap production is not affected, it also takes into account other products in the future. But the production capacity of 4,680 batteries is also an S-curve. The exact time node is actually difficult to predict. Drew Baglino says, Elon Musk added that the issue is indeed complex. There are many companies on the market that only produce batteries. Making batteries is all they do. And Tesla is completely different from them. So this is a multi-pronged approach. Work in all directions. For example, developed a lot of breakthrough technologies, but for 4,680 batteries, we still have a lot of work to do. Although it looks like it's just a 46mm diameter battery with a height of 80mm, but he harbored amazing new technology. Musk says, according to Drew Baglino, the fourth quarter of last year, the Tesla team will take the #1 production line of the Texas Gigafactory that originally produced Model Y batteries, switch to production of Cybertruck batteries. This results in a 10% increase in battery capacity. In addition, in the first quarter of this year, the company also focused on cost and production capacity. Tesla currently has a production line of 4,680 batteries. An assembly line runs continuously. 2 additional assembly lines are used to increase production capacity, do improvement tests, debugging equipment. Tesla will also install 4 more in the third quarter of this year. 4,680 battery production lines without a doubt. This year will be a significant year for our 4,680 battery capacity growth. Drew Baglino says, Elon Musk finally emphasized that we hope to increase the order volume of Tesla suppliers. I'm not talking about changing suppliers. Rather, they hope to add more suppliers. We have always been grateful to Tesla's suppliers. Panasonic has been our longest-serving supplier. It's also an incredible company. In addition, I would also like to thank the Mingda era, LG, BYD, etc. September 2020, Tesla released a 46-meter diameter for the first time, large cylindrical battery with a height of 80 mm. Tesla has promised to introduce a revolutionary lithium-ion battery. Its chemical composition and manufacturing process have been improved. Compared to the original 2070 battery, it provides 5 times more energy, 6 times the power, and increase the range by 16%. Production costs will be reduced by more than 50%. The manufacturing process uses all-gill technology and dry motors. Then, Tesla entered a difficult phase of battery mass production. In terms of time, January 2023, Tesla produces 1,004,680 battery cells. June 2023, Tesla produces 10,004,680 batteries for telecom, which announced a breakthrough of 20,004,680 batteries in October 2023, according to industry estimates. Looks like a surprising number, but the capacity of 10,004,680 batteries can only meet the production capacity of about 12,000 Model Y models. According to Meng Chang, a non-laser product development and promotion manager at Battery Laser Welding Equipment Company, previously revealed its structural. Tesla's previously seemingly perfect battery structure cannot guarantee the pass rate. Eventually had to modify the battery structure in the process. The company is no longer obsessed with the cutting and folding process for full Jill molding. Positive recovery using cast electrode process. The dry electrode process is still only applied to negative. According to another person from a domestic power battery manufacturer, the key to mass production of about 4,680 batteries is the dry electrode manufacturing process. This is a solvent-free electrode production technology. Generally, the binder particles are larger. Direct use of dry electrodes cannot be evenly dispersed. This also results in a low yield of dry electrodes. From the current information, Tesla's first-generation 4,680 battery cathode material contains 90% greasy content. Ancient hormones have 5%. The energy density is estimated to be around 250 Wh/kg. However, recent news has revealed that, in order to increase the output of 4,680 batteries, Tesla has found a workaround. Starting in the second half of 2023, the company has selected 2 suppliers in China, sourcing Gaon's cathode rolls from Chinese suppliers. After drying, send it to the United States. Then it is slitted and assembled in the Texas factory in the United States. Before battery partner Panasonic plans to start mass production of 4,680 batteries in the third quarter of this year, Tesla may continue to purchase cathode coils from these suppliers in 2024, and the positive coil accounts for about 35% of the entire telecommunications cost. According to Musk's plan, all of Tesla's future electric vehicles, including Model E semi-truck, Cyber electric trucks, and Roadstar 2 electric sports cars will both use 4,680 large cylindrical batteries. Musk has said that our long-term goal is to produce more than 1,000 GWh of batteries in-house at Tesla. In the opinion of industry insiders, in general, Tesla's goal for the 4,680 battery is a bit high. It's not that easy. However, no technology can be released in one step during the actual production process. Our accumulating constant grinding process, 4,680 batteries for their larger size, higher energy density, benefits such as longer range and lower cost. It once ignited the anticipation of electric vehicle enthusiasts around the world. However, to this day, this highly anticipated battery has yet to achieve large-scale production. Can't help but let the eagerly awaited riders ask, when the 4,680 battery will actually be applied? Can we afford to wait? The technical difficulties encountered in the development and production of 4,680 batteries cannot be ignored. Tesla tried to achieve this by adopting a modular design, a series of innovative means such as dry coating technology to enhance battery performance. But the journey of these cutting-edge technologies, from the laboratory to the production line, is not smooth. For example, the overheating phenomenon of dry layer technology in practical applications leads to reduced production efficiency, increased scrap rate. The pace of mass production is hindered. A rigorous quality control system is also indispensable. Tesla may not have established a complete product quality inspection process in the early stages of production. Of 4,680 batteries, it makes it difficult to guarantee the yield of the battery. This also slowed down its entry into the market to some extent. In order to accelerate the production schedule, Tesla had to urgently seek help from a Chinese battery manufacturer. It turns out that due to some technical difficulties on its own production line, the homework is not so fast. Tesla chooses to source key battery cathode materials from China. This is one of the key components that determine the performance of a battery. You must know that China's battery industry is one of the best in the world. Shangning the era. Because of giants like Li Ning and some promising second-tier battery manufacturers, both are the targets of Tesla's emergency cooperation this time. These Chinese companies have the necessary strength in battery technology, research and development and production scale, and Tesla introduced their cathode coil. The purpose is to get rid of the shortcoming of 4,680 batteries as soon as possible. So although the road to mass production of 4,680 batteries has been bumpy and tortuous, but Tesla's hand in this wave of Chinese companies, it undoubtedly gave a boost to the anxiously waiting riders. For riders, since Tesla is already actively seeking a solution, maybe hold on a little longer. That legendary superhuman battery is not far from the day it actually hits the road.